Hello everybody and welcome back to another My Porch Prints tutorial, or rather in this case a quick tip video. We just found a new way to organize our kits and we really like it, so I thought I would go ahead and do a quick tutorial on what we're doing in case anybody else out there is trying to organize their journal kits. So previously how we did this was we put all of our kits in these little manila envelopes here, and originally we were trying to keep up with keeping them labeled and organized, but they honestly we accumulated so many and we kind of quit organizing them properly, so it's a bit of a mess, and we decided it was high time we found a different solution. And what we came up with was we found these binder pockets online, and we're going to link those down below, but we really like them because they are see-through, so it's a much faster when we are looking for a kit to use in our current project. We can kind of just flip through and immediately see what they are. This kit right here is the Roses and Butterflies journal kit that I recently did a video on, and the entire kit does fit into this little binder pocket, which is great, and then it just closes with this little Velcro clasp here, which is very convenient. And it is a binder pocket, so it can go in a binder. So we went ahead and purchased a very large binder online, and again we will have this linked down below if anyone is interested in purchasing it, but it's got plenty of room for all of our kits. And if you wanted to further organize, you could add some labels to them so you can keep track of which kits are which. So we grabbed some of these address labels from Avery, and it's just real simple. They're peel and stick, so you just go ahead and add them to the edge of your binder pocket, and you can just write down whichever kit they are in case you want to keep track. We know a lot of people ask us which kits we're using, so it helps us to stay organized. And then there you go, you just have them at hand where you can flip through and find exactly what you're looking for. And because the binder does have pockets in the front and back cover, you could store maybe some spare binder pockets in there, or your labels, or if you're like us, we actually have a lot of loose fussy cuts and we've been organizing them, keeping them in these little CD cases, like these paper envelopes, that's what they're called. And we just put our fussy cuts in there, write down what they are, and you could store them right in these pockets here so you have access to everything. Alright, that is going to finish today's quick tip. I hope you found this helpful, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!